Morning students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Being at home, you should learn something. Myself Sandhya, I am going to take 4th standard maths for you. Before sharing the topics with you, I will ask you some question. Just try to say the answer. Then finally you know what is our today's topic. Can anyone tell what is our today's date? Yeah, today's date is 19/6/2020. Very good. Listen children, Manu stand up. How many fingers do you have? Tell me. Yeah, we have 10 fingers. How will you say that 10 fingers? Just you count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Devi, what is your mother's mobile number? Yeah, it said 9876, it will be goes on. 10 numbers it said. How will you say? Yeah, it is mobile number. We are using a numbers 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. Okay, listen children. We are using numbers to counting and representing the things in our day-to-day life. So everyone know what is our today's topic. Our today's topic is numbers beyond 19. Numbers beyond 9,999. So our today's topic is numbers beyond 9,999. So listen children, numbers beyond 9,999. So what is our today's topic? Numbers beyond 9,999. Before entering into our topic, I will explain you what is natural number and what is whole number. Counting numbers are called the natural numbers and it is denoted as capital N and it is start with 1, 2, 3 and it will be goes on. Next one is whole number. Along with the 0 and the natural numbers are called the whole number and it is start with 0, 1, 2, 3 it will be goes on and it is denoted as capital W. Everyone clear this natural number and whole number? Now we are going to see our topics. The first topic is write the numbers name. The second one is write the numbers in figures, expanded form, short form, ascending order, descending order and final thing is find the place value. Now we are going to see each and every one. Okay. The first one is write the numbers name. The year they given some numbers 3, 5, 6, 2, 9, 5, 3, 8, 1, 0, 2. Just you write the place value. Before knowing that, I will show you place value chart. Listen here. This is our place value chart. We have a 3 common periods is there. Ones, thousands, lakhs. And then we have a 7 sub periods. Keep the 7 sub periods, then only you should write the numbers name. So what are all sub periods? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Everyone clear this? We have a 3 common periods and 7 sub periods. Keep the 7 sub periods, then only you should write the numbers name. Now everyone ready to write? Listen. Our 7 sub periods are ones. So just you write here ones. Our next one is tens. So write here tens. What is our next one? Hundreds. Write hundreds. And next one is thousand. Write here thousand. So what is our final one? 10,000. Write here 10,000. Listen children, just you keep the number and place values, then you should write the numbers name. Listen, 35,629. Listen, 35,000. THIRTY 35 FIVE 5,000 THOUSAND. So the first one is 35,629. So take 6, XIX 6 and the next one 129. 600 HUNDRED 100 29 TWENTY 20 NINE 9. So everyone clear this first example? 35,629. So listen children, our next example. Just again you see the place value chart, see the sub periods, then you should write here. So what is your first period? Ones. So write here ones. What is your second period here? Tens. So write here tens. What is your third period here? Hundreds. Write 100 here. Next one is 1000, write 1000 here, and next one is 10,000, write 10,000 here, and final one is lakh. Now you take a number and place values, then join and write the numbers name. Now you read this 5,38,102. So now write the numbers name. 5 lakh, F-I-V-E 5, lakh, L-A-K-H lakh, 5 lakh 38,000, T-H-I-R-T-Y 38, E-I-G-H-T 8,000. THOUSAND 38,000, and final one is 102. So write here 102. 1 O-N-E 1 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 102. So everyone clear this? Write the numbers name. 5,38,102. Next we are going to see the short form. Next we are going to see the short form. They given the expanded form, just you short and write the number. See, listen here, 4,000 plus 20 plus 9. Here you see this is 1's place value, this is 10's place value, there is no 100 place value. 100 means we need a 2 zeros, that is missing. We have a 3 zeros value, 4,000. So listen, what is the short form of 4,000 plus 20 plus 9? 4,029. Everyone clear the short form? The next one is, they given 1's place value is 4 and 10's place value is missing, and 100 place value is 300 and 1000 place value is missing. The 10,000 place value is 80,000. Listen here, the short form of this number is, so listen, the 1's place value is 4, 10's place value is missing. Yes, only no, 10's place means we need only 1 0. The 1 0 value is missing here. Then slightly we having the 2 zeros value. What is the 2 0 value here? 3. So take and write 3 here. Next one is 3 zeros value. The 3 zeros value is missing. So you put 0 here. The final one is 4 zeros value. The 4 zeros value is 8. So the short form of this number is 80,304. Okay. So the next one, final example is, listen here. The 1's place value is 5. There is no 10's place value. The 100 place value 200, there is no 1000 place value. The 10,000 place value is 40,000, the lakh place value is 5 lakh. Listen children, first you should write 1's place value. Here the 10's place value is missing. Yes, no. So how is this missing? Here there is no 1 0 value. So 1 0 means that is 10. That value is missing, so you should write 0 here. The next one is 100 place. So in this 100 place we have 2 is here. So take and write 2. Next one is 1000 place. In this 1000 place value is missing. So write 0 here. Next 10,000 place. 10,000 place means we need 4 zeros. So count this 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 zeros value is 4. So take and write 4 here. The next one is 5 lakh. So the last number is 5. Write the short form of this number is 5 lakh 4,205. So everyone clear this short form? Listen children, our next topic is ascending order and descending order. Listen here, here you see ascending order. Okay, small to big. First I am arranging in 1 dice, and next one is 2 dice, and next one is 3 dice, and next one is 4 dice, and next one is 5 dice. When we are arranging the number smallest to bigger, it is called as ascending order. If it is descending order means when we are arranging the number big to small. So listen here, first they are arranging 5 dice, next 4 dice, next one is 3 dice, next one is 2 dice, and next one is 1 dice. So small to big means that is ascending order, big to small means that is descending order. Okay, first you climb up means that is ascending order. 1, next one is 2, next one is 3, next one is 4, next one is 5. This is called as ascending order. Next you climb down means that is called as descending order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The ascending order best example is here only. First you are studying in LKG, UKG, first standard, second standard, it will be goes on. So it is ascending order. The best example of descending order is pencil. Okay. So first we are going to see the ascending order. When we are arranging the number small to big, when we are arranging the number small to big, it is called as ascending order. First you compare all the numbers, then you should arrange the number. First you listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 numbers is there. So write here 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 numbers. Write here 4. Next here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have a 6 number. Write here 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. Listen children. Compare this all the one. Which one is the smallest number? 5, 4, 6, 5. Which one is the smallest number? 4 is the smallest number. So the first smallest number is 6021. What is the first smallest number? 6021. So the first number is over. Next you will take a 5-digit number. Here we have a 2 5-digit numbers. Yes, no. 35201, 35000, 35,000, 35,201. First you compare the first number. The both numbers are same. Next you compare the second number. The second number is also same. Next you compare the third number. Here 2 is there. Here 0 is there. Which one is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. So our next smallest number is 35,000. So write here 35,000. Clear? So next, what is your next smallest number? 35,201. 35,201. Listen, our final number is 352906. 6-digit number. So simply take and write 352906. Everyone listen. Clear this ascending order. Ascending order means the number arranging from small to big. The number arranging from small to big is called as ascending order. Next we are going to see the descending order. Ascending order opposite value is descending order. When we are arranging the number big to small. So now you compare, likewise compare all the numbers, then you should write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have a 6-digit, take and write 6 here. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally we have a 4 number, write here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have a 6-digit, take and write 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. Listen children, compare this all the number. Which one is the greatest number? Here 6 is there, here 2 6 is there. So we are comparing each and every digit. So listen, first digit you should compare. Here 3 is there, here 6 is there. Compare this two number. Which one is the greatest number? In this number only greatest number. 6,09,302. So take and write 6,09,302. So our next greatest number is 3,53,106. 3,53,106. So compare our next numbers. Here 4-digit number, here 2 4-digit number. So compare the first number. Here 8 is there, here 5 is there. Which one is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So take and write 8531, 8531. And final greatest number is 5321. 5321. So everyone clear this descending order. So descending order means when we are arranging the number big to small. Ascending order means when we are arranging the number small to big. So clear this. Listen children, our last topic is find the place value of the number. They given some numbers here. 3 in 63,109. So before going this, listen this place value chart. Already you know the three periods is there. Ones, thousand, lakhs, and then we have a 7 sub periods. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and final one is 10 lakh. So keep the sub periods. Then only you should find the place value. Say the first place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So the question is find the place value of 3 in 63,109. So you should write the place value of 3 is the place value of 3 is. So now you take 3 and multiply by. See here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 3 it is in 1000 place. Take and multiply by 1000 here. Okay. So 3 into 1000, 3000. 3 into 1000, 3000. So the place value of 3 is 3000. The answer is 3 in 63,109. The place value of 3 is 3000. Now I am going to give some activities for you. Listen here. The first one is find the place value of 3 in 5319. So now we are going to arrange this. So what is the ones place value? Here the ones place value is 9. So move 9 here. Okay. The next one is the tens place value is 1. So move 1 here. Next the 100 place value is 3. So move 3 here. The 1000 place value is 5. So move 5 here. There is no 10,000 place. So move 0 here. Listen children. What is the place value of 3 here? The place value of 3 is 100. Okay. So what is the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is 100. Listen children. Our next example is 5 in 56,302. So you are going to find the place value of 5. First you should arrange in the place value chart. So first one, the place value of 2 is, ones place value is 2. So write 2 here, keep 2 here. Next the tens place value is 0. So keep 0 here. Next the 100 place value is 3. So keep 3 here. Next the 1000 place value is 6. So keep 6 here. Next the 10,000 place value is 5. So keep 5 here. Listen, what is the place value of 5? So what is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is 50,000. Okay, clear everyone? So today's our topic is write the numbers name, write the numbers in figures, expanded form, short form, ascending order, descending order and find the place value. So everyone clear this all the topics? Thank you children.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை மனமே உணர்ந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அக மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து